Yo, welcome to No Coupons Needed, YouTube product promo. Today we have our 6-foot monster cable, monster HDMI cable for those techies that really like the clarity of their television when watching DVDs, cable, disc, satellite, whatever. I just want to show you that these are brand new. This is a package that was open, but this is a 6-foot HDMI full 1080, and I just want to show you that the covers are still on the connectors, model 800202 if you want to look that up to see the specifics. During the web, help yourself. So you know what time it is. I'd like to thank you for your interest. And remember, this product can be yours at a low price. No coupons needed.